This living experience is available for you to live in a real earth home, earthen dome, Hobbit temple. Come on in. Take a look at the place. Nice round domes with echoes of sound. You're now in the living area. Enjoy circles, ceremonies, jam sessions, or just family gatherings in the living area. Here's one of the large rooms. Beautiful solar light. Each room has its own experience where you can get to the kitchen. Dining table, sink, open windows, take a look into the living area, maybe pass some food to your family and friends. Here's the bathroom experience. It's like you're showering outdoors. You're with nature. You can breathe and feel and see nature. And now we'll see the second room, all downstairs. Here's this beautiful room experience, the second room, surrounded by windows, solar tube light bringing solar in, rounded earth clay experience. And off the kitchen is the big patio deck. Take a look upstairs. Upstairs we have a sound dome and a big open deck with sunset ocean views. You are now in the center of the two rooms upstairs in the sound dome in the temple. You can chant, meditate, pray, have your own experiences here. Now take a look at this beautiful deck. All looking over nature, huge deck, birdwatch, experience nature. And take a look at this beautiful view. This is where you'll be having your breakfast. This is where you'll be having your family gatherings. This is where you'll experience a new life. This is living.